Weeding up of a company, a comprehensive guide. The weeding up of a company, also known as liquidations, is a formal process that marks the end of a company's legal existence and the orderly distributions of its assets. In these presentations, we will discuss into the introductions of weeding off, exploring its various forms, the role of the liquidator and the legal framework governing the process. Understanding of weeding off. Definitions. Weeding off is the process of termination of company's legal existence by bringing its business operations to a close. This typically occurs when a company becomes insolvent, meaning its liability exceeds its assets. Objectives. The primary objectives of weeding off is to ensure a fair and equitable distribution of the company's assets among its creditors and members based on their respective legal rights. The role of liquidator. Appointment. A liquidator is appointed to manage the weeding off process, taking control of the company's affairs and assets. Responsibilities. The liquidator's key responsibilities include collecting the company's debts, selling its assets, and distributing the proceeds to creditors and members. Power. The liquidator is granted significant power to perform their duties effectively, including the authority to sell assets, sue and be sued, and compromise debts. Modes of weeding off. A legal perspectives. Voluntary weeding off. Initiated by the company itself through a special resolutions passed at a general meeting. This is typically chosen when the company is insolvent or intended to continue operating in a modified form. Compulsory weeding off. Ordered by a court of law, this can happen when a company is insolvent, fails to comply with legal requirements, or engages in fraudulent activities. Weeding off by court order. Ordered by a court when the company's activities are deemed prejudicial to its members or creditors, or if the company's assets are being mismanaged. Cancellations of registrations involves striking off the company's names from the official register. This is typically used to dormant or inactive companies that meet specific criteria. Weeding off process. Appointment of liquidator. The first step is to appoint a liquidator who is responsible for overseeing the weeding off process. 2. Collections of debts. The liquidator gathers all outstanding debts owed to the company and collects them. Sale of assets. The liquidator sells the company's assets to generate funds for paying creditors and distributing remaining assets to members. Distributions of proceeds. The proceeds from the sales of assets are distributed to creditors in order to pay, and any remaining funds are distributed to members according to their shareholding. Finally, dissolutions. Once all creditors and members have been paid, the liquidator prepares a final report and applies to the court for dissolutions of the company. Thus, the weeding off is the process of dissolutions of a company. Consequence of weeding off: loss of legal existence, assets distributions, terminations of contract, and liability implications. Loss of legal existence. The company cases to exist as a separate legal entity. Assets distributions. The company's assets are distributed to creditors and members in accordance with their legal right. Terminations of contract. Most contracts entered into by the company are automatically terminated, though some may be subject to specific clauses. Liability implications. The company's directors may be held liable for any branches of duty or illegal activities during its operations. Key notes here are: weeding off is a complex process that requires careful planning and adherence to legal procedure. A liquidator plays a vital role in ensuring a fair and equitable distribution of assets to creditors and members. Understanding of different modes of weeding off is crucial for both business owners and legal professionals. There are significant consequences to weeding off, including loss of legal existence, terminations of contract, and potential liability implications. This much for today. Thank you.